So this is one of a couple of videos that I'm going to be making about how we can still have classes even if we have to close the school building. This first one is about how to make screencasts. There are a bunch of different applications that you can use. If there's one that you want to work and is not working, just let me know and I can get it working. But this is one of the easiest ones, Screencastify. I use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using to record this video of how to use Screencastify. So, and you'll find the link for this in the email that I send you. So you would just pull this up and then click Add to Chrome. It'll ask you if you actually want to do it. You do. It'll pop down here and you wait for a couple of seconds and then you'll see it pop up here. If it was going to be a longer amount of time, what you would want to do is you would just pause the video and let it do what it wants to, and then it'll pop up. And you can see that it has a shortcut, but I don't ever use the shortcut. So now all you need to do is click on, looks kind of like a fish, I guess. It'll bring up the screen to have you set it up, and so sign in with Google, pick the right account, allow, and then you need to determine if you want the camera and microphone, etc., etc. So next, it's going to ask for permissions. You're going to allow, and then it'll pop over here to use your microphone. This is a must. The webcam is not a must, but obviously in order to do this, you have to allow the use of your microphone. On my computer, I do not have a web camera, which is why I didn't ask. So now you're all set up, and so all you have to do is click on the fish. And then it gives you some options and some choices, which is the same thing. But anyway, what you would probably want to pick is the desktop. That way you don't have to worry about which tab you're in. Anything that you pull up on your desktop, PowerPoint, and anything you pull up will be visible to the students. You want to have the microphone on, and you can change and select what microphone you use, but in your case you probably don't have these options. You just want the default, and this will tell you whether or not the microphone is working. It says webcam is not detected because I don't have one. So anyway, when you're ready, you just click record, and then you can't see it. Let me try here. You can't see it on the screen because I have a dual screen, but it'll pop up and it'll ask exactly what you want to view, application window or entire screen. Like I said, I would probably do entire screen if I were you, but you don't have to. And then it will start recording. It has the little countdown, and then you can see down here in the lower right, it's got tools that you can use, the mouse pointer. You can draw on stuff if you want to. You can then erase the stuff if you want to. You can hide this by hitting the X. You can pause the recording. And you can wipe the whole screen by clicking on that box right there. And so that's it. And then once you're done, you can either come up to the fish again, and stop, or you can delete it, or you can start over, or you can pause it. And the only reason that I had to do that was because I closed the tools down here. So anyway, it's pretty easy. If you want me to show you how to do it in person, shoot me an email and I'd be happy to do that. And I'm going to just trash this because I don't need it. Discard. And what the perk of this one is that A, it's free, and B, it saves it to your Google Drive. The downside is this right here. There's a 5-minute limit per video. But you can upgrade if you want to, and Depending on funds, we might be able to spring that for you. We'll just have to have a discussion about it. Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer any and all questions. Thanks. You guys have a good day.